Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Today we're going to be making a cute mug for my mother-in-law. Okay, it wasn't today. This was actually in December when my in-laws were here visiting for Christmas. So this is a line drawing that I had my Scan and Cut or my Cricut Joy basically draw out for me using the black of the Artesprix markers to do that, one of the fine tip ones, and I'm coloring in the leaves in some green. I know it looks blue, that's okay. Whenever you're using sublimation markers or inks, the colors always look on paper a bit duller than what you're going to get as your final result. I colored the fox in with this orange marker. Actually, both of them. I colored them the same because my mother-in-law likes foxes, so that's what I had to create for her. Next, I cut out those images and I'm taping them onto the sides of a mug. I'm going to try to line them up about the same place so they're going to be on both sides. And I wanted to do this so that she could, she could see it from either side. And I'm taping it down well with some of my Artesprix heat-resistant tape. You do want to make sure it is taped down really well because you don't want it to shift at any point while it is heating up. Now, usually when I'm doing things having to do with Artesprix and sublimation, I'm using a heat press. This time I'm using a new craft oven that my husband gave me for Christmas. Isn't he sweet? Anyway, so in order to get the pressure that you need to go along with the heat, I'm using one of these sleeves that I believe I picked this one up at Michael's. Artesprix does have these available as well. I just didn't have the time to order any and get them in before my in-laws left, so I ran over to Michael's to pick up a few of these. So I'm using my heat gun to basically shrink wrap it on there. This is going to give it the pressure that it's going to need to basically make I'm not sure exactly how the technical part works, but you do need heat and pressure to make the sublimation process work correctly. So I'm just getting that all heated up and shrinking it all down onto my mug. So then next I can pop it into my craft oven. Just like you do with all of your sublimation blanks, you're going to want to check the manufacturer of the blank to see what heat and temperature you're supposed to use. For this one, it was 355 degrees for 12 minutes, so that's what I set my oven for. And then I'm going to just pop this little guy into the oven and start everything. Okay, so now we're going to unwrap this and take a look. Hope it turns out as good as my last one. Yay! Oh, by the way, guys, this is for my mother-in-law, and she is standing looking over my shoulder as I unwrap this. I thought you guys might be entertained with that. So, come on. I'm trying to get the shrink wrap off. That's taking longer than anything else. Okay, so let's take us a sneak peek. It's not like I can really repress it though, because yeah, it's in the oven instead of me using a heat press. But we're still going to do a sneak peek, right? Because that's what we do. I don't see any ink having gotten onto the tape, so I should be able to use the tape again. Come on. So, a little sneak peek. You see that? Looks like it did good. Awesome. So let's go ahead and take the rest of the tape off. Oh. There we go. So that is on one side, and I did it for the other side too. So let's take the tape off of that side. It just means that she'll be able to drink her coffee or tea or whatever out of either hand, and the image will be seen by both sides. So whoever's looking at her, plus she can see it whenever she's using it. So yay! So cute. Look at that. The little fox is just adorable. Love it, love it. Anyway, that's going to finish up this project using Artesprix inks. Yay! You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.